Well, we got a burr.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for the Block Island Sound, Buzzards Bay,
Oh,
coastal
jeez.
waters extending out to 25 nautical miles south of Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket, coastal waters from Montauk, New York to Martha's Vineyard extending out to 20 nautical miles south of Block Island, ocean waters from Montauk, New York to Martha's Vineyard from 25 to 40 nautical miles offshore, Rhode Island Sound, Vineyard Sound, until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:36 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near the coastal waters southeast of Block Island, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazards include wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include the coastal waters southeast of Block Island, buoy 44,097 southeast of Block Island, Rhode Island Sound, Buzzards Bay Entrance Tower, Cutty Hunk Island, Gayhead Light, and the coastal waters between Block Island and Martha's Vineyard.